I hope you all had a wonderful holiday if you guys celebrate. Now today I'm back here with a new recipe I was craving today. I've been wanting some egg rolls, so I decided to make some. So boom, you already know I'm adding a little bit of seasoning. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This was kind of a lazy recipe. I didn't get every exact ingredient that was required for this. So I really just seasoned my meat how I would traditionally season my meat. This isn't how you would season your meat for egg rolls. Just a disclaimer, okay? If you're following my recipe, make sure you look up the ingredients on Google and you can get all the exact recipes for the perfect chicken egg rolls, because this is just homemade. It's just my own kind of style recipes. Not to mention, I didn't even use a traditional egg roll wrap. I actually used croissant dough, and it made them like double the size, which was fine for me because this was just something I was trying out. I've actually used croissant dough before when making recipes. I used it as a replacement before and it worked out just fine, so I'm like, oh, let me try with my egg rolls, and it came out pretty good. They're just extra large. But anyways, while we cooking today, let's talk about YouTube. I don't know if y'all been seeing today's like the little purse thing. So it's just been funny as shit all day on YouTube. And I come over to the street sector and see what's going on over here. And the streets is cutting up tonight. Everybody out here bickering, arguing, everybody going back and forth. And I'm thoroughly entertained. Thanks you guys for the entertainment. I don't have shit to say except thank you guys for just entertaining me through me cooking tonight after I got off work. I had a long day. I've been thinking about my boo a lot, and I'm getting prepared to get back outside and get back to it. I've really been sitting down being a good girl for a whole year. I've been very well behaved. I've been really just running up a bag and organizing myself. 2025, I'm ready to get back outside and kind of just do the things that feed my happiness. This year was really focused a lot on healing, a lot of working through situations and moving forward completely. So now I'm really just ready to get back into my savage self. Like a lot of people thought that I was talking my shit when I did my little traveling this year, and I just want to tell y'all haven't seen anything yet. You guys have yet to see me at my best, so just continue to stay tuned for my journey. This is the very beginning of my idea of meal prepping. I'm just getting little recipes that come to my mind and seeing how they turn out and how large of a quantity I have to buy my ingredients. The better I get, the more I will share. The bigger quantities I cook, the more I will share. The more recipes I come up with, I'm going to share it with you guys. If you guys have any tips when it comes down to meal prepping, definitely drop down in my comments and let me know, because it is something completely new to me. That looks good. But I love to cook, so it's just about cooking for the whole week now instead of just cooking one big meal that's going to last a week. So it's about just being intentional. Something new to me, like I said, but it's just a part of my whole gym fitness for the winter, and it's just a whole lifestyle change with this whole meal prep thing. So I'm really excited about this journey I'm going on, and I hope you guys enjoy just cooking and chit-chatting with me today, and stay safe in these YouTube streets because it's getting wild. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. If y'all like this little video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like the vibe, and I will see you guys another time. Good night. Toodaloo boos.